Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download Clash Royale on your PC. So for that, first you need to download BlueStacks on your PC. If you don't know how to do that, so we have uploaded a video on our channel. Please make sure to check it out. So after downloading BlueStacks, you need to launch it, and after launching BlueStacks you need to click on Play Store and then sign into your Google account. And after signing into a Google account, then you need to search for Clash Royale and then click on install. This will start installing Clash Royale and I will meet you after it has been installed. Here you can see that my Clash Royale has been installed. Now I will click on the play button. If you don't have this screen, then you need to click on this home button, and here you need to click on Clash Royale. This will launch your game. If you want to play it in full screen, click on this button. This will allow you to play on full screen. So I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching.